Greetings everyone. Welcome to Skipidi Panda, your friendly guide to the wonderful world of earning money online. Our mission is to bring you the latest, most fun, and easiest ways to boost your income without leaving your comfort zone. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of gameplay where playing games can earn you cash. Imagine a world where playing games isn't just for fun, but also a way to earn money. Welcome to GaintPlay. This unique platform is designed with the gamer in mind, offering an opportunity to earn real money just by completing tasks, playing games, and taking surveys. But how does it work, you ask? Well, for every task you complete, you earn coins. And guess what? 1,000 coins equate to $1. Now let's talk about the numbers. Don't worry, they're quite impressive. On average, users earn around $2. It might seem small, but remember, this is for playing games. The total earnings on Gainplay have already crossed the $100,000 mark. That's right, over $100,000 earned just by having fun and playing games. And the best part is, you can redeem your coins for cash, cryptocurrencies, or even gift cards. And it's pretty quick too. The average time until the first cash out is a mere 15 minutes and 21 seconds. So, you see, with Gainplay, every second you spend on a game isn't just enjoyable, it's profitable too. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get started? Well, it's as easy as pie. Simply, head over to Gainplay's website and click on sign up. Fill in your details, create a unique username, and boom, you're in. Start earning money by doing what you love, playing games. You'll be surprised how quickly those coins add up. And remember, 1,000 coins equals $1. You can cash out in the form of real cash, cryptocurrencies, or even gift cards. Just remember, the more games you play, the more money you make. So why wait? Start your gameplay journey now. Earning money has never been this fun and easy. Imagine turning every game you play into cash. That's what Gainplay offers. So why not give it a shot? Explore, play, and see how much you can earn. Thank you for joining Skipidi Panda today. For more exciting ways to earn money online, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep playing and keep earning.